गाइस अभी ना मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी पे स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ जर्नी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की। मैं आपके साथ अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के बारे में थोड़े आइडिया शेयर करूंगा। मैंने थोड़े से पहले भी किए हैं कि कैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करनी चाहिए कैसे नहीं करनी चाहिए, बट मैं धीरे धीरे आपके साथ करूंगा शेयर। लेकिन उसी सीरीज में सबसे पहली बात मैं आपसे करता हूँ, ठीक है। सबसे पहली बात है कि कभी भी क्रिप्टो में एक पैसा ना डालें, ठीक है, ठीक है ना। आप पिछले ट्रेंड्स देख के दिखाएंगे, ये देखो ये वाली क्रिप्टो ऊपर चलेगी, ये वाली क्रिप्टो ऊपर चलेगी। यू मे वन से कि मेरा फ्रेंड है उसने पैसे बनाए, लेकिन मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ क्रिप्टो में आप बिल्कुल भी पैसे मत डालो, ठीक है। ये हवा है, हवा। ये सिर्फ एक एयर है, ठीक है। ये एक एयर है, एयर कोई ट्रेडिंग हो रही है, ठीक है ना। हवा की ट्रेडिंग हो रही है, आप सिर्फ ट्रेडिंग एल्गोरिथम पे खेल रहे हो, आपको लग रहा है उसकी कोई इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू है, कुछ नहीं है। ये जीरो होगी, हर क्रिप्टो ये सारी जीरो होंगी। इवन बिटकॉइन भी जीरो होगा ही होगा, कोई इसको रोक नहीं सकता, राइट। जितना मर्जी आप कहें कि अरे नहीं ये तो हवा नहीं है, तो इसके पीछे एल्गोरिथम है। अच्छा, मैंने बहुत लोगों से पूछा कि ब्लॉकचेन होता क्या है, कैसे काम करता है, ठीक है। मैं थोड़ा सा फंक्शनल बंदा हूं, मुझे थोड़े एक्चुअल डिटेल्स चाहिए होते हैं, अंदर के जो मेजरेबल डिटेल्स होते हैं ना वो चाहिए होते हैं, ठीक है ना। फंक्शनल डिटेल्स मतलब होता है ना ऊपर ऊपर की हवा में बातें। तो मैंने ऐसे ऐसे लोगों से पूछे जो बंदे बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कंपनीज में, हार्डवेयर कंपनीज में काम करते हैं। नोबडी नोज हाउ ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी वर्क्स, व्हाट इज इट रियली डूइंग, ठीक है। तो हर एक की एक्सप्लेनेशन एक ही तरह की होती है, लाइक लिटरली ऐसे होता है। ब्लॉकचेन, ब्लॉक चेन, वेरी गुड, वेरी हाई, change the world, it will change the world, it is very good, blocks of chain of blockchain, block, very good। जितनी इन आर्टिकुलेट मैंने बोली ना बात, इसी बात को वो जस्ट थोड़ा इंग्लिश, just they basically put all these things in a proper order, and then they keep speaking the same thing. You can listen to everybody, you will see that it's a chain of blocks, block of chains. It adds security, it adds viability, it adds security, it adds safety. It's a block of chain, it's a chain of block, it's a block of chain, it's a block, chain. Nobody knows how this works and how this is really making the currency a safe haven, making the currency a whatever, right? It is, how does it really can be traded as a currency? How will it add to how will it work on the database? Nobody really knows, but they have listened to all these things. They keep on saying. Anyway, that's just one thing I want to tell you. Other than that, main thing is it is just air. It's nothing, right? It's nothing. It's really just air. In my opinion, never get into crypto. Stay away from crypto as much as possible. Acha, one more point because of which I always say just stay very far from crypto. Have you ever tried to sell a crypto? The thing that fluctuates within like seconds, right? Within hours, the prices are way different from the last hour. The time to sell is about 30 days. Have you tried to sell a big crypto like Bitcoin or something? You try to sell, you will realize that. How is it a good idea for you to sell such a thing which will take 30 days to execute? It's a very long cycle. Last but not the least, right, any gains you make, whatever they will be basically, you will be getting taxed on that. But anyway, tax to chalo is in everything. That's not a big deal. Big deal is whether you're buying something null and void or whether you're buying something actually concrete. So my thing is stay away from crypto. There are so many cryptos like Terra Luna and all those things which became zero overnight. You guys, right? You guys notice that Terra Luna is zero now, right? Shiba is gone. Everything is like becoming zero, right? So please notice that a lot of these cryptos are basically nothing but just air. You are simply buying air, and I'm asking you to just stay away from it. If for any reason you are in crypto and your account is positive, let's say I've seen a situation where a person says he's sitting on top of $1 million worth of bitcoins. I said sell it now and get out of it. Where does the sell advice come from? Sell advice comes from a simple fact that you're going close to the money that you need to live your life. 1 million is a big money. To make a big money, to make this kind of money and to save this kind of money as a side income, obviously you are having a job, so this will be a side. You will not be able to save this in 10 years of hard work. So it's better to just get out of it, and you have a windfall, get out of it, right? I use the same principle, just to sell Nvidia now. A few days back I made a video saying sell Nvidia because you're very lucky somehow. You won't be lucky again and again. Okay, if the market crashes, you won't be lucky at all. You may lose money. Okay, you may lose all the gains. Same for Bitcoin, you may lose all the Bitcoin money that you made. So in my mind, my point is simply just get out of your positions if you have made money, and sell all the crypto that you have and get out of the crypto market. It's a useless market.